Hello students, in the previous tutorial we learned about how to amend changes to the data tables in the back end, and we did that successfully. In this tutorial we will be learning about create, how to do with formulas, as we do in the Microsoft Excel, in the Google Sheets, in the other spreadsheets programs, and how we can add formulas to how we can add formula to a column to change the value of that column, as we see that how like we addition maths formulas. In this tutorial we will be adding one math formula, subtraction formula, and let's do that. But before that, as going carrying forward from another previous video, the Ali has done the task of hiring a social media manager. He had hired the social media manager. Now let me change the value of actual amount he spent on that task. And now after adding that, we will be creating one formula to subtract the budget from actual amount, so that we have the variance, that what was the difference between that, so the decision makers see that whether we had projected right amount for that or not. So let me edit the let Ali edit this task. Let's say here in this task we added this button, edit. We go, let me add the actual amount in it. Let's say he spent $40. Okay, now let me save it. But here is a very crucial point. If I add a formula to this variance column, it will automatically calculate the difference, the variance, which is called variance is the difference between the actual amount and the budgeted amount, whether it is positive or negative. If the actual amount is greater than the positive amount, then it will be negative. So let me add the formula to the variance column. Let me save it and let me come back to that task to see what's the difference, what's the variance. So let's go to this column variance, where we want to add a formula, an expression, and how we can add formula to it. Let's see, it's in the column editor, in the column customizer, where we customize the column. There we will add a formula. And how we add the formula, it is there in the autocomplete, means so that it creates the value automatically. So in the auto create section of the column editor, we will add the formula. What is the formula? Very simple, it's a subtraction. And we can do it like this, that the column value, let's say we need a parenthesis, and then we will be add simply a column from which we are subtracting the another column. Let's say the column is what is the column? The column is budget. Remember one thing, for column we need that square bracket. We want budget column, and we want Appsheet subtract the actual amount from budget amount. There we go. done. So you can see this tick, this green tick means that your formula is okay. Your formula is okay. It will subtract budget actual amount from budget amount, and let's go and let's see that whether it works or not. Done. Save. After saving, let's done. Now let me edit, or let me see that you can see we have, let me zoom out, we have this 10 automatically calculated. It subtracted the actual from the budget. This is the beauty of Appsheet. We can add in, this is the, here is the formula. So this is the beauty, we can add formulas like this to the Appsheet, and we will be learning. I will provide some material, some extra sources from where you will learn different formulas that we can add to the Appsheet. So it's a basic introduction to the formula. So this is how it helped me, and in the coming up video tutorial, we will be talking about some more column level changes, and then we will be talking about security. Thank you so much.